Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we are back again. Thank you for 1K subscriber. And in this video, I'm going to cover the BullX NEO. Basically, I use the BullX NEO. This is my second account that I have created freshly because I want to start everything on the new basis. And yeah, in this video, I'm going to show you everything regarding to BullX. And this is the proper tutorial. And if you want to get access, you can just get access by providing the link down the description. Basically when you go to the BullX NEO bot, basically this is the username that I will provide you in the description. When you go to this NEO bot section, you will go to their wait list. Basically, when you just press the start button, it will say like you are currently that on the 5,000 or something like that. So you need to paste this link down in the bot, and this link is provided in the description, and just copy it and paste this, and it will just open this for you. And you need to just log in and save your keys and etc. So you will get the new bot access. This is the most advanced bot, guys, and this bot is very fast as compared to other bots like Photon or other things. Like it is the one man army. And yeah, so let's start this video. Yeah, so this is your BullX tab, and basically you can put any contract address right here. As you can see, I have traded these token right now, so that why it's showing me this. And this is your own chain in which you can select if you want a drone or if you want like a Solana. So I just keep on the Solana chain, so it will show me the Solana chain only. And this is the explore section. You can explore tons of coins which are coming right now. And this is the filter section, which is similar to the Photon. And this is the advanced section. You can just enable the auto sell option as I enable. So this is your new VN, which is similar to the Photon meme scope. And this is the I don't know what the fuck is the Belmar coin. Let me just check it. So this is the newly creation. You can use these type of filters. Let me just show you. So as you can see, you can use this filter. It has some of the various good thing as compared to no other trading bot. Let me just show you the liquidity. I don't know why sometimes gets slow. Basically there is tons of new coins that is coming. And for example, I'm just using the volume. Let me just use the volume. Volume should be like 10,000 or as you like. So I will create dedicated video on this. So this is the like volume that I have set. And for example, if I just want more, let me just show you. Dev holding 5%, for example. Let's apply. Okay, so right now this is the new Belmar coin, which is the graduated to the radium. And let's see. So this is the Belmar coin, and Def have bought. And let me just check if it's a rug or not. Yeah, insider holding is 63%, so this is definitely a rug. And yeah, and the volume, let me just see the volume. Market cap, price, civilian, and the volume is looking good basically. So yeah, if you want to learn more this, I can create a dedicated video also. So yeah, so if you just want your positions, or like if you want to go by price, you can switch to price. If you want to go by market cap, if you want to switch like 1 second time frame, it is the basically it is the demo one. And this is a scam. And yeah, so I don't know, right now the volume is like 136k, and which is pretty much higher than my market cap. So you can see, but it will get rug definitely. So yeah, So if we just go to the recent tab, you can show it's a recent chart, and it will show you the amount and positions that you are holding. As you can see, if you want to hide, and you can hide the positions for your privacy purposes. So yeah, so if we just go to the automation part, you can use the automation things, for example auto buy, auto sell, and many other features. And if you want to go into portfolio, you can see your portfolio. And if you want to go to the wallet manager, here you can just deposit your Solana addresses. Like you need to add fund, you need to deposit this Solana. It's very simple. You need to just copy and drop it to the Phantom wallet and transfer your fund. And this is the multi chart basically. And this is the recent position chart. This is your main tab, and this is your tab 3. For example, if I just want I just don't want it, I can just delete it. And if I want to add chart, for example this chart and this chart, so I can add multiple charts here to see the multiple outcomes. So if I just don't want it, what I just can do is to close this just by clicking on the cross button. And I can set it height, radius, and everything like that according to your display. And this is the bullet tracker, guys. Basically this is the thing of the BullX that Voton doesn't have. Basically you can just track the wallet instantly by clicking on this. You can see their activity and just instant buy or sell. Like for example, if I just want this coin, let me just see active positions right now. If I want to copy him, I want to set alert, then I can set alert and everything like that. So yeah, but the thing is that it doesn't matter you are using the Photon or BullX. The thing is matter there are people that are using only Trojan bot and making so much money. So the thing is that this can't help you. But if you want some like a bot experience and fast paced trading, then you can use BullX or Photon. If you like this video, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and also use this link down the description. And when you just copy this link and just paste the link like this and just paste it, it will show you the login and everything. And yeah, so this is it for the video, and make sure you guys like and subscribe and follow me for more. And also peace out.